guys, it's Dave the Pro Can Place here, and today we are ranking blox fruits in update 18. You know why I hate this update, bro. Look at the fruit designs. Ew. That just getting up for you. First fruit is barrier. Oh, I forgot how hard it is to move. I forgot. I forgot.
Pero dahil ang sabi ng China, to handle maritime disputes through friendly consultations and communications. So this is the spirit not only of the ECN but also the two presidents. Kung may direktang epekto man ang sibilot, ito ay isang mangingisda. Sa West Philippine Sea, makikita ang bawat ng sibilot o Luzon. Marami sa mga taga rito sa masulog sa Bares ang nangingisda doon. Naman ang West Philippine Sea, ang mga merlipo tulilagang mga isda, bukod pa sa mga potensyal na
Lizard is now first. And this is good just because my friend has it. No, bomb fruit back in then. It was like the most baddest fruit though. This one is bad. Bomb is just like same as barrier. Buddha, bro. It was. I am not letting. Chop. Let me get you. Okay, now. Control. It's just a little bit bad. Dark is good. Diamond, bro. Why? Oh, do. It's very good. A dragon still has the same design now. Falcon Flash. Flame is best. Gravity. Ooh, ice is a really good fruit too. No, Kilo, bro. This is like the no, violet. Light is actually my favorite too. Love. Magma. Phoenix. Portal. Wave. Revive. Rubber. Rumble. Or almost sand. Shadow. Smoke. Spike. Span. Spirit is good. Spider. Lastly, Venom. Okay, the video is done. Goodbye, everyone. The weekend off today. Ah!